In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to create and embed VoiceThread thread boxes within Blackboard. What is a thread box? A thread box is an embeddable space that allows you to gather voice threads into a browsable collection. You could use the thread box option to group some of your VoiceThread lectures and discussions together. Thread boxing would be beneficial to use in courses in which you ask students to create their own voice threads. Students would upload their presentation to the Threadbox and view their peers' presentation, all within the same window on Blackboard. So let's walk through the steps of setting up a VoiceThread Threadbox.
Okay, first, to upload a Threadbox, you want to first navigate to myusi.edu and click on the VT icon. Once you are there, you will see these icons across the top on the left-hand side. You can either click on the box, and that's Threadboxes, or you can navigate to the upper right-hand side and click on Threadboxes up here as well. Either way, you click on the plus sign. You want to give your Threadbox a title. And then you'll see you have two options. You always want to leave this first option checked. Now, this doesn't mean public submission. Anyone in the world can see this Threadbox since it's housed specifically within Blackboard. But if you do not have this option checked, then no students will be able to upload into the Threadbox on your Blackboard site. So you want to leave this first option checked. The second option is completely up to you. If you would like to approve the voice threads before they appear in the Threadbox for the rest of the students to see, you can leave this portion checked. And I will leave it checked just so I can show you what this looks like. And then you'll click Save. Here you will see the different options across the top. Now we'll get to embed here in a minute, but in the options, here's where you can change those options again. You can submit a voice thread that you've already created from here if you so choose. And then once there are students that have submitted into a Threadbox, you do have the option to reorder the voice threads in a specific order if you choose. Now here's where you can see which ones have been approved and which ones have been unapproved if you checked that second checkbox. Now if they appear in the unapproved, you have to go to VoiceThread, the icon in myUSI, to then approve them before they show up on Blackboard. Now, whenever you are ready, you can go ahead and click the embed code. And here it gives you the full embed code for that you want to upload into Blackboard. So we're just going to click on copy embed code, and we're going to navigate to Blackboard. We're going to navigate to the course that you would like to upload the Threadbox into. You want to go to build content, item, give it a title. And then you want to go to the embed code in the Blackboard. Here, you want to just paste that code and click Save, and then click Submit. Then when you scroll down on this page, you can see all the voice threads here that students have submitted. And then to add a voice thread, you just click on Add Your Own, select from My Voice Threads. We'll choose a sample voice thread here and click Save to Threadbox. Now, if a student were to upload this, it wouldn't appear in this Threadbox because I had that second option checked. So what I would do here is I would go back into VoiceThread. I would click Refresh. And here it would show up in the unapproved. And here's where I can remove this voice thread from the Threadbox. This does not delete the voice thread. It just removes it from the Threadbox. And then I can unaccept this voice thread to then move it into this category. So then if I go back to Blackboard and click refresh, none of the other students can see this voice thread located within the Threadbox until I go to VoiceThread, I click approve, then it shows up over here. And then if I go back to Blackboard, click refresh, then all the rest of the students will be able to see that voice thread within that Threadbox. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Online Learning.